Ivan Beck. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 21st Asian American Heritage Festival. As an Asian American, I think we should really be proud of this festival, especially our citizen in San Jose. Back in 1977, the Asian Heritage Week was first introduced by the Tom White. He was the councilman from this city. And in 1990, the former President George Bush extended to the Asian Heritage Month. So 1991 was the first time the White House invited the Asian Union to observe the signature of the proclamation. I was one of them to invite to the White House. So that's why we came here and start to celebrate the Asian Heritage